Hi everybody, welcome back to If It Ain't Cheap, I'm Not Buying It. So today I am doing a unboxing and a product review on a new frying pan from Bed Bath & Beyond. And this was $39.99. See the price right there, $39.99. And you know, with Bed Bath & Beyond, you can go online and print a coupon for 20% off. So with the 20% coupon, I got $8 off. So the total that I spent was $34.14, and hopefully you can see that. $34.14, which is not bad for a nice stainless steel multi-purpose pan. And if you watch some of my cooking videos, I have my old this pan actually is from Todd English. I've had it. It's a green pan. As you can see, I use this pan a lot, and it's time to upgrade. I'm gonna still keep this pan because it's seasoned and everything, but I just decided to treat myself to a new pan. So let's get it open. And to pay only $35 for this type of pan, I thought it was a good bargain. It is big. Alright. So this is what it looks like, just in case you want to try to go and find it in your Bed Bath & Beyond store. It is a 14-inch, 6.5 quart, 6.2 liter, and it's from the company called Salt. Smart, affordable life tools. Alright, and this is what it looks like before we unwrap it. It is nice and heavy. This is the glass lid, and look how big this lid is. Another big glass to go with my pots. And you know, it tells you before first time, remove all labels, hand wash with warm soapy water, rinse and dry thoroughly with a soft cloth. To me, it really reminds you of a wok, but it isn't. It looks like I'm going to be doing some serious cooking in this pan. Alright, so I'm going to go wash this out because I am going to do some cooking today for y'all. So let's get this rinsed out. And depending on how I enjoy this pan, I may go back and get another one, because you can do quick meals. You know, one pot for maybe your meats and another for your vegetables. I have two pots going, so we're going to test this out today. This is what it looks like. I think it's beautiful, just for the presentation alone for this pan, and for less than $35. Alright, so on the menu today, I went over to the store called Lidl, and I found these nice ribeye steaks. So instead of doing it in my instant air fryer, I'm going to fry the steaks today. So I got these 2 steaks we're going to have on the menu. And then while I was over there, they had these 4 gourmet lobster cakes. And these are going to go in the air fryer. These look really good. And this is what it looks like. So I'm in the mood for a little surf and turf today. And then I went to Sam's, and this is a half a bag left over of shrimp scampi. And then I just have a bag of breaded shrimp. And this will go in the air fryer. Shrimp scampi we will leave on the stove. So let's get this stuff rearranged. And I do have a bag of small potatoes, and we're going to start with this first. And if you remember my other new frying pan I had just got, it's Golfman Steel. Miss Joan over at Thrift Queen had recommended this pot, and I tell you, I've been using it like crazy. This is a really good pot, and I got this off of Walmart, I think for about $30, maybe under $40. Very good pot. So both of them today. Right. I don't have a lot of space. So what I'm going to do is off camera, I'm going to rinse these and then get these ready for the pressure cooker. So I'll be back. Alright, I'm back. I've rinsed these off. And I'm not going to cook all these because it's just for me and my husband. So I just rinsed them off, set them in the thing. And then I got maybe a cup of water because you have to add some type of liquid in this so they don't burn. And we're just steaming the potatoes for part 1, and that'll cut down my prepping time. So I'm just going to put these in here. I'll say about maybe four for each of us. That's enough. That's a lot of starch. And I'm not going to really put any seasons in it right now because I'm going to show you how I'm going to do these potatoes. Put a couple more in here. So we're going to put that lid on. And this is the first time me doing potatoes in here, so let's hope it comes out. So I just want to hit the steam button. Okay. And we're going to pressure cook it. No. Steam. Normal. And that should be it. Like I said, I don't use my pressure cooker for a lot of stuff. I am still experimenting with it. So, and then it just, you hear the beep, then it just turns on. Alright, so we're going to put that back there. Let's move on to the next meal that I'm cooking. Now, I have my rice cooker right here. And I am going to steam my husband's broccoli. And I use this for our vegetables. It cuts down all that sodium and everything. Salt. So what I do is take the broccoli, and I just open up a pack, sprinkle that on, and it gives a lot of flavor. I'm going to leave a little bit left for the potatoes. And just put the lid on it and cook. Move that off camera. So that'll be steamed. We're going to start the shrimp scampi. And all you do is just dump it in the pan. Now this shrimp scampi comes in a 2-pack at Sam's, and that's what it looks like. And I believe it was like $16 for 2 packs, which I thought was not bad. So that's our shrimp scampi, and actually move it in the back. Just like that. See already the broccoli is starting to steam. Alright, so while that's cooking, we got the potatoes on, and we're going to do shrimp and the crab cakes in the air fryer. Alright y'all, so the potatoes are done. I'm just gonna take a fork and see how that went right through that. And these are the steaks. I already seasoned them. They have been marinating probably about 2 hours now off camera.